Good evening, students. Now we can see the topic. Next endocrine gland is pancreas gland. That is the pancreas gland. That is leaf-shaped structure present in the duodenum part of our intestine. Pancreas is elongated. That is elongated. Yellowish. That is color of yellowish gland. Situated on the loop of stomach and duodenum. That is the duodenum part. That is the loop part of duodenum. It is act as an endocrine gland and exocrine gland in nature. That is most important. One more question. Pancreas gland only act as an endocrine gland and exocrine gland. The exocrine part of the pancreas gland secrete pancreatic juice. This is the exocrine part. The white color is endocrine part. This is endocrine part. The tubes are exocrine part. The exocrine part secrete pancreatic juice that is play a role of digestion. The endocrine parts of the made up of islets of Langerhans. The white color round shape is called as islets of Langerhans. That is endocrine part. Once more reply. Pancreas is elongated, yellowish color gland situated in the lobe of the duodenum, stomach and duodenum, between the stomach and duodenum. It acts as a both endocrine and exocrine in nature. The exocrine part of the pancreas secretes pancreatic juice. It is role in digestion. The endocrine part of the made up of islets of Langerhans. This is islets of Langerhans. More to know box. Human insulin was first discovered by Friedrich Banting, Charles Best and McLeod in 1921. Insulin was the first used as a treatment diabetes in 11th January 1922. This one more question. Human insulin was first discovered by Friedrich Banting and Charles Best and McLeod in 1921. The first insulin the treatment is diabetes is 19th January 1922. Okay, students. The endocrine part of the pancreas is called as islets of Langerhans. It consists of two types of cells. First one is called as alpha cell, another one is called as beta cell. This alpha cell secretes glucagon hormone. Alpha cell secretes glucagon hormone, beta cell secretes insulin hormone. It is the most important one more question. The endocrine part of the pancreas is called as islets of Langerhans. It consists of two types of cells, alpha cells and beta cells. This alpha cell secretes glucagon hormone, beta cell secretes insulin hormone. What are the functions of pancreatic hormones? A balance between the insulin and the glucagon production is necessary to maintain the blood glucose level concentration. A balance between the insulin and glucagon production is necessary to maintain the blood glucose concentration. Next, what are the functions of insulin? First point is, insulin decreases the concentration of glucose in blood. It is the most important point. Insulin decreases the concentration of glucose in blood. It is the most important point. It promotes the transport of glucose into cells. Insulin helps the conservation of glucose into glycogen, which is stored in liver and skeletal muscles. Our body contains excess glucose in blood. The excess glucose are converted into glycogen molecule that is stored in liver and skeletal muscles. Okay, this is an important question. What are the functions of insulin? Insulin decreases the concentration of glucose in blood. It promotes the transport of glucose into the cells. Next, insulin helps the conservation of extra glucose in your body that is converted into glycogen molecules that is stored in liver muscles and skeletal muscles. These are the functions of insulin hormone. Next hormone is glucagon hormone. Glucagon increase the blood glucose level in glucose concentration. Insulin decrease the concentration of glucose in blood, but glucagon increase the blood glucose levels. Glucagon helps the breakdown of glycogen to glucose in liver. Opposite insulin function. What are the function of glucagon? It increases the blood glucose level. It also helps the breakdown of glycogen into liver and skeletal muscles. These are the functions of glucagon hormone. Diabetes mellitus. Next, இது இன்சுலின் டிஃபிஷியன்சினால் வரும். டயபெட்டிஸ் மெல்லிட்டஸ்க்கு சக்கரை வியாதி அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. நம்ம நாட்டில் இருக்கக்கூடிய முக்கால்வாசி பேர்த்துக்கு இந்த வியாதி இருக்குது. ஓகேங்களா? டயபெட்டிஸ் மெல்லிட்டஸ் அப்படின்னா சக்கரை வியாதி. ஓகே, வேறு ஒன்றும் இல்லை. இது எதனால் வருதுன்னா இன்சுலின் குறைபாடுனால வருது. நம்ம ஆல்ரெடி படிச்சிருக்கோம். இன்சுலின் இஸ் ப்ரொடியூஸ்டு பை பீட்டா செல்ஸ் ஆஃப் பேங்க்ரியாஸ். ஓகே, டயபெட்டிஸ் மெல்லிட்டஸ் அப்படின்னா சக்கரை வியாதி. சக்கரை வியாதிக்கு என்னென்ன கேரக்டர் இருக்குது? த கேரக்டர்ஸ் ஆஃப் diabetes mellitus already we studied in last lessons. Increase the blood sugar level is called as hyperglycemia. Hyper means increase, glycemia means glucose, that is called as hyperglycemia. Excretion of excess glucose in urine is called as glycosuria. Glyco means glucose, urea means urine. Frequent urination is called as polyuria. Poly means many, urea means urine. Increased thirst is called as polydipsia. Increased appetite is called as polyphagia. That is the symptoms of diabetes mellitus disease. This one more question. The deficiency of insulin causes the diabetes mellitus. It is caused by increased blood sugar level is called as hyperglycemia. Hyperglycemia. Excess glucose in urine is called as glycosuria. Frequent urination is called as polyuria. Increased thirst is called as polydipsia. Increased appetite is called as polyphagia. These are the pancreas gland. Next, adrenal gland. Adrenal gland. This is the adrenal gland that is present in upper side of the kidney. That is upper side of the kidney. The cutter section of the adrenal gland, you can see the outer cortex, inner medulla. Outer cortex, inner medulla. Okay, that is blood vessels and capsules also present. Adrenal gland. Adrenal glands located above the each kidney. Adrenal gland located above the each kidney. These also called suprarenal gland. These also called as suprarenal gland. The outer part of the adrenal cortex, inner part of the adrenal medulla, the two distant parts is structurally functionally different. Once more reply. Adrenal glands located above the each kidney. They are also called as suprarenal gland. The outer part is adrenal cortex, inner part is adrenal medulla. First we can see the adrenal cortex. The adrenal cortex consists three layers: zona glomerulosa, zona fasciculata, zona reticularis. These are the three layers present in outer cortex. Zona glomerulosa, zona fasciculata, zona reticularis. There is three parts present in adrenal cortex. Zona glomerulosa, zona fasciculata, zona reticularis. These are the three parts present in adrenal cortex. What are the hormones present in adrenal cortex? There are two types of hormones. First one is glucocorticoids. Glucocorticoids and mineralocorticoids, two hormones secreted by adrenal cortex regions. What are the functions of adrenal cortex hormones? First one is glucocorticoids. Glucocorticoids is secreted by zona fasciculata. Glucocorticoids secreted by zona fasciculata. There are two types of hormone. First one is cortisol, corticosterone. Two types of hormone. First one is cortisol, corticosterone. What are the functions of cortisol and corticosterone? They regulate cell metabolism. It can regulate the cell growing activity. It stimulates the formation of glucose from glycogen into liver. The breakdown of glycogen to form in glucose. It also stimulates the formation of glucose from glycogen liver. It is an anti-inflammatory. It is the most important one more question. It is anti-inflammatory and anti-allergic agent. Anti-inflammatory. Inflammation வீக்கம், அலர்ஜினா அலர்ஜி. நம்ம உடம்புல வீக்கம் இருந்தாலும் அலர்ஜி இருந்தாலும் இது கம்மி பண்ணி கொடுக்கும். அதனால இதுக்கு பேர் கார்டிசோல் அல்லது ஆன்டி இன்ஃப்ளமேட்டரி அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. ஓகே, வாட் ஆர் த ஃபங்க்ஷன்ஸ் ஆஃப் குளுக்கோகார்டிகாய்ட்ஸ்? They are glucocorticoids are secreted by zona vesiculata layer of the adrenal cortex regions. There are two types of hormones, cortisol and corticosterone. What are the functions of cortisol and corticosterone? They regulate the cell metabolism. It also stimulates the formation of glucose from glycogen in liver. It acts as anti-inflammatory and anti-allergic agents. Next, mineralocorticoids hormone. What are the functions of mineralocorticoids? Mineralocorticoids is secreted by zona glomerulosa regions. The mineralocorticoids hormone is called as aldosterone. Aldosterone helps reabsorb the sodium ions from the renal tubes. In kidney, the sodium ions are absorbed by renal tubes. That is performed by aldosterone. It causes the increased secretion of potassium ions. It also causes the increased cause of potassium ions. It also regulates the electrolyte balance and fluid volume and pressure and blood pressure. What are the functions of mineralocorticoids? The mineralocorticoids are secreted by zona glomerulosa region of adrenal cortex. The main mineralocorticoids hormone is aldosterone. It helps the reabsorption of sodium ions from the renal tubes. It causes the increased secretion of potassium ions in our body. It also regulates the electrolyte balance and body fluid volume and osmotic pressure and blood pressure. It also regulates the blood pressure, osmotic pressure, body fluid volume and electrolyte balances. Corticosterol hormone is adrenal cortex serves to maintain the body living conditions to recover from the severe effects of stress reactions. நம்ம பாடியில் ஸ்ட்ரெஸ் ரியாக்ஷன் அதிகமாக நடக்கும்போது ஒர்க் பண்ணக்கூடிய ஒரே ஹார்மோன் கார்டிசோல். So it is called as life-saving hormone. It is most important 2 mark and 1 mark question. In shock condition, it also known as life-saving hormone. It is called as life-saving hormone. Next, adrenal medulla. Adrenal medulla composed of chromaffin cells. It is 1 mark question. Adrenal medulla composed of chromaffin cells. They are richly supplied with sympathetic and parasympathetic nerves. Nerves are 2 types. Sympathetic nerves and parasympathetic nerves. Adrenal medulla secretes 2 types of hormones. Epinephrine is otherwise called as adrenaline. Adrenaline is otherwise called as epinephrine. Norepinephrine otherwise called as noradrenaline. They have 2 names: epinephrine or adrenaline. Norepinephrine or noradrenaline. Adrenal medulla secretes 2 types of hormones: epinephrine, adrenaline, norepinephrine அல்லது noradrenaline. They are together called emergency hormones. This is the most important 1 mark question. Which one is called as emergency hormone? Adrenaline and norepinephrine is called as emergency hormone. It is produced during the condition of stress and emotion. Stress இருக்கும்போது emotion இருக்கும்போது இந்த ஹார்மோன்ஸ் இருக்கும். Hence it is called as flight, fright, fight hormone. These hormone induced to fight and fright and flight. கோபம், பயம், சண்டை, இது 3 உருவாக்குறது இந்த ஹார்மோன் தான். ஓகேங்களா? ஃப்ளைட்டு மாதிரி பறந்துட்டு ஓடுவாங்க. ஃப்ரைட் கோபம், பயம், கோபம், ஓட்டம், பயமுறுத்தல், சண்டை இதெல்லாம் பண்ணுறது இந்த 2 ஹார்மோன்ஸ் தான். நெக்ஸ்ட்டு functions of these adrenaline அல்லது epinephrine hormones. It promotes the conservation of glycogen into glucose, livers and skeletal muscles. நம்ம பாடியில் இருக்கிற கிளைக்கோஜன் மாலிகுல் எல்லாத்தையும் குளுக்கோஸாக கன்வெர்ட் பண்ணி பிளட்டில் சுகர் லெவலை இன்க்ரீஸ் பண்ணும். இட் ஆல்சோ இன்க்ரீஸ் த ஹார்ட் பீட் அண்ட் பிளட் ப்ரெஷர். அதனால தான் கோவம் வந்துருச்சுன்னா ஹார்ட் பீட் அதிகமாகிடும், பிளட் ப்ரெஷர் அதிகமாகிடும். இட் இன்க்ரீஸ் த ரேட் ஆஃப் ரெஸ்பிரேஷன் அண்ட் டைலேஷன் ஆஃப் பிரான்ச்சி அண்ட் ட்ரக்கியா பிரான்ச்சிஸ் எல்லாம் டைலேஷன் ஆகும். It causes the dilation of pupil of eye. கண் பார்வை அதிகப்படுத்து. It decreases the blood flow through the skin. bloodல flow ஆகிறது இது குறைக்கும். What are the functions of epinephrine or adrenaline? It promotes the conservation of glycogen into glucose from liver and muscles. It increases the heartbeat and blood pressure. It increases the rate of respiration and dilation of bronchi and trachea. It causes the dilation of pupil in eye. It decreases the blood flow through our skin. Next, what are the functions of epinephrine or noradrenaline? Epinephrine, otherwise called as noradrenaline. It is the most action similar to the epinephrine. It is the same other. Next, reproductive glands. Reproductive glands, otherwise called as gonads. The sex glands are two types. One is testis and one is ovaries. Testis is male, ovaries is female. Testis present in male, ovaries present in female. Reproductive glands are two types. Testis, ovaries. Males have testis, females have ovaries. Testis are the reproductive glands of males. They are composed of seminiferous tubes. They contain Leydig cells and Sertoli cells. These Leydig cells secretes the endocrine part of the testis. The Leydig cell secretes male sex hormone that is called as testosterone. It is the most important one mark question. Testes are the reproductive glands of males. They are contain seminiferous tubes. They contain Leydig cells and Sertoli cells. These Leydig cells secretes the male sex hormone that is called as testosterone. Next, what are the functions of testosterone? It also influences the process of spermatogenesis. Spermato means sperms, genesis means production. So production of sperm is called as spermatogenesis. It also stimulates the synthesis and controls the muscular growth. It also controls the muscular growth. It is responsible for development of secondary sexual characters of male, that is hairs on body, face, deep voice patterns. These are the secondary sexual characters of male. What are the functions of testosterone? It influences the process of spermatogenesis. It also stimulates the synthesis of controls of muscular growth. It is responsible for the development of secondary sexual characters of male. Is produced by testosterone hormone. The production of hair and body and face, deep voice patterns are secondary sexual characters of male. Next, ovary. Ovary is the female gland. Ovary are the female gonads located in the pelvic cavity of the abdomen. They secrete female sex hormone estrogen and progesterone. It secretes two female sex hormone that is called as estrogen and progesterone. Estrogen is produced by Graafian follicle of ovary. It is one more question. The progesterone is secreted by corpus luteum that is formed by ovary from the ruptured follicle during ovulation. The estrogen is produced by Graafian follicle. The progesterone is secreted by corpus luteum of the ovary. Next, what are the functions of estrogen? It brings the changes of occurs during puberty. During puberty, female changes are regulated by estrogen hormone. It also initiates the process of oogenesis. Who means egg, genesis means production. So egg production is called as oogenesis. It stimulates the maturation of ovarian follicles in ovary. Ovarian follicles are matured by estrogen hormone. It promotes the development of secondary sexual characters of female, that is breast development, high pitched voice, etc. These are the functions of estrogen hormone. Estrogen hormone changes during puberty. It also stimulates the oogenesis. Who means egg, genesis means production. So production of egg is called as oogenesis. It also stimulates the maturation of ovarian follicles in ovary. It promotes the secondary sexual characters of female like breast development and high pitched voice, etc. These are the functions of estrogen hormone. Next, the functions of progesterone hormone. It is also responsible for the premenstrual changes in uterus. It is also responsible for premenstrual change of uterus. It prepares the uterus for implantation of embryo. The implantation of embryo is performed by progesterone hormone. Once more reply. It is responsible for the premenstrual changes. Before menstrual changes are performed by progesterone hormone. It prepares the uterus for the implantation of embryo. It also maintains the pregnancy. So it is called as pregnancy hormone, that is called as progesterone. It is in essential formation of placenta. Placenta na தொப்புள் கொடி. தொப்புள் கொடி உருவாகிறதுக்கு progesterone hormone தேவை. It maintains the pregnancy. It also useful for the formation of placenta. Next, thymus gland. Thymus is partly endocrine gland and partly lymphoid gland. Endocrine glands we know, lymphoid glands all know. It is located in the upper part of the chest covering the lower trachea. That is present just above the heart. The thymosin hormone is secreted by thymus gland. Okay, that is the thymus gland. There are two lobes, cells are present. Thymus gland is partly endocrine gland and partly lymphoid gland. It is present just above the heart. The thymosin hormone is secreted by thymus gland. What are the functions of thymosin hormone? It is a stimulatory effect of immune response, immune function. Our body immune system is stimulated by thymosin hormone. It stimulates the production and differentiation of lymphocytes. The blood lymphocytes are produced by thymus gland and differentiated by thymus gland. Okay. What are the functions of thymosin hormone? It is can stimulate the immune function of our body. It also useful for the production and differentiation of lymphocytes in our blood. Okay, thank you student. Let us meet next topic.